Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Saurabh, and this is my YouTube channel, Data Science Novice. So, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe. Your efforts are massively appreciated. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to create circles using mouse with the help of OpenCV2 library. So, first, let's make our import OpenCV2, and then we import NumPy as NP. So, next, we are going to create a black image using NumPy, because we will be drawing circle on that image. So let's comment this out. First we create an image variable for storing the image. Then we call np.0. So this will create a zero matrix and passing the size of image and the number of channel as 3 because it is in RGB color code, right? Next we pass the data type. So as of now you can ignore this thing. So next we are going to open this image in a new window and we want to keep showing that image till the time user press something from the keyboard. So for that we use while loop. So while true, we want CV2 to open the image and we call CV2 IamShow method and the first argument is the name of the window. In our case, we are going to name it my image and the second argument is the image itself that we created earlier. So next we are going to create a condition to break this loop. So if CV2 wait key and passing 20 milliseconds, so that means if user press something, wait for 20 milliseconds. And then we use AND operator and pass another condition that is 0x double F equals to 27. This is saying that if the user press escape key, wait 20 milliseconds and break out of the loop. And then we use CV2 dot destroy all windows to destroy the window that we created for the image. So next we have to create a mouse callback and connect it to the image window. So we call CV2 name window and pass the window name as my image. So make sure the name you pass is same as the image window name. So next we connect the window with mouse callback. So to do that we call cv2.set mouse callback and passing the window name and then we pass the function we want the mouse to perform. In our case we want it to draw a circle. So next we create a function that creates a circle and this function is going to take some arguments like event, x and y coordinate, flags and parameter. So next we are going to add some event in this function. So if event is equals to cv2.event underscore and if we press tab we see all the events that are available for us in OpenCV. We are going to choose the left button down event. So if this event is triggered, we want to do something. That is, we are going to create a circle. So to do that, we can simply call cv2.circle. We pass our image on which we want to create the circle and then xy coordinates, that is from where it will start. And then we pass the radius of the circle. And then we pass the color that of which color we want it to be. And next we pass -1 for a filled circle. So we will be seeing it in shortly. So next we are going to add another event using elif condition and it will be on the same line with the above event. The only difference is this time we are going to create a right button down event. That is if user press right button down then do something. And so in this case we are again going to make the same circle that we did in left button down event. So we are going to just copy paste this circle in this event. So let's summarize these steps top to bottom. First we imported the libraries. Then we create a function called drawCircle and we added two events, that is whether user press left button and the right button, it will create a circle of our specification. Next we created a window that connects our mouse and the function using these two lines of code. Then we created a black image and then we use while loop to keep showing the window and image. And then we break out of the loop using some condition. And once it is out of the loop, we destroy all the windows that were created earlier. So let's run this cell. Again, if you are Mac or Linux user, you have to run it from command line. So let's run this cell. So here we see our window. So let's check whether the events are successful or not. So I'm pressing the left key, then I'm pressing right key, right key, and you can try on your own, right? So now we want to exit from this window, and we can do that by just pressing the escape button. So that code 0xff is equal to 27 is for this purpose. And now we don't see a window because cv2.destroy all window destroy that window. So now we are going to experiment with that -1 value. And instead of -1, we are going to put 1. And let's run this cell and see what happens. Now let's trigger the events of left button and right button. So let me show you. Okay, so here you see that we are getting some circles. I don't know whether you are able to see that. So here we see that this time we don't have filled circles, right? And we will be using this thing for image localization in later point of time. So I would suggest you to now try making rectangle, because this way you will learn it better. Also, I have uploaded this notebook on my GitHub. You can check out there. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe and press the bell icon for the future updates. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye, stay safe.